love that.
Easy quite away.
Okay, so here I am down the flying field with the FlyWing FW450 V3, and what I've done obviously is put a new shell on it. This is an Airwolf shell that you can get from them. I'll put the link in the video description and the pinned comment, and this is what I prefer actually. I'm more of a scale helicopter pilot than I am a 3D helicopter sport type pilot. Very easy to fit the shell. It's about removing the blades, removing the tail boom, removing the landing gear, and then just attaching the this shell. There's a really good video for it that takes you through it step by step, and I'll include the link for that as well. But let's fly it and see what it looks in the sky. So it still flies the same, but it just looks, I much prefer a scale shell on a helicopter. But you get all those benefits of the GPS, the onboard GPS, in that you can return to home at a flick of a switch, do figure eights, do those nose-in circuits that we were showing in the previous videos, and even do automated flick to inverted. Nice. Let's bring it in for a landing. I wasn't happy with that takeoff, Sam. That was kind of, it leapt into the sky. So I'm going to try that takeoff again.
Let's go again.
Cue Airwolf theme music. First time really using my camera, isn't it, Sam? So.
Yeah. See how the person turns out.
doesn't have rockets, it doesn't have machine guns. Those are the only things I would like to see on this.
I'm sure we can implement something.
I bet we could, but I'm not sure whether it would be legal. I don't think in this country it's legal to fire anything from a radio control model, unfortunately.
Talk to your friends in Ukraine.
There you go. So that is the FlyWing FW450 version 3. So you can have it as a sport helicopter or a scale helicopter now, and I'm hoping they come out with more shells for this, maybe a Huey or an Apache or something like that. Why not? And make it as easy to fit. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. The link for this shell and the helicopter, which is now in stock with RC Going, I'll put those links in the description, as well as the video to the instructions, the guidance for how to do the conversion for the shell. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoy our videos. Give us a thumbs up. Click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. Thanks to Sam on the camera for filming this one. And we'll see you again in the near future. Bye.